Hi guys, welcome to Applied Information Technology. In this video, we're going to talk about how to completely remove AI from Windows 11 25 H2. As you know, in 2025, and especially with Windows 11 25 H2, Microsoft has added a lot of new AI features. Most of them are only available on Copilot Plus PCs, but there are still plenty of AI features that we can fully disable using a script created by a user and shared on GitHub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this script to completely remove AI from every part of the system, from Copilot and Windows Recall to Copilot integrated into certain apps such as Settings or even Microsoft Store apps. Everything will be removed. So, if you want to see how to do that, watch this video until the end. If you enjoy videos like this, please don't forget to leave a like below and subscribe to the Applied Information Technology channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any feature guides like this one. Let's get started. In this video, we'll be using a script created by Zoequare called Remove Windows AI. On the GitHub page, you'll see that it allows you to remove AI from the latest Windows 11 25 H2 builds. There's also a detailed list of everything that will be disabled when you run this script. The script will disable Copilot, Recall, Input Insights, Copilot in Edge, Image Creator in Paint, AI Actions, AI in Paint, Voice Access, AI Voice Effects, AI in Settings Search. It will also prevent the reinstallation of AI packages, remove AI optional features and components, and disable Rewrite AI in Notepad and related tasks. I think this is pretty cool, and I'll show you how to use it. There are multiple ways to launch this script, but in my opinion, the best way is to use the Launch with AI function. Simply copy the command, open PowerShell, type PowerShell in the search box, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Inside PowerShell, paste the command and press Enter. You'll notice that Remove Windows AI will launch, and you'll see a user interface that lets you choose what to disable. For example, if you don't want to remove Notepad Rewrite, just uncheck it. In my case, I'm leaving everything enabled. You can also enable Revert Mode or Backup Mode. Backup Mode allows you to restore all AI features if needed. I'm not enabling either mode in this demonstration. Next, click Apply. The script will start executing. You'll see everything happening in the background, starting with killing all AI processes, then disabling Copilot, Recall, Image Creator, Voice Effects, Voice Access, and more. This process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Once the script finishes, you'll receive a message saying the removal process was completed successfully. You can then see an updated list of everything that was removed: Recall, Schedule Tasks, Rewrite AI, Notepad AI components, Hidden Component Store Settings, Copilot Nudges, Hidden Copilot Installers, Epix Package Files, and more. Click Yes to restart your computer for all changes to take effect. After the restart, you can check your system. Searching for Copilot in File Explorer will show no trace of it. AI actions may still appear in some menus, but they will no longer be functional. Notepad Rewrite will also be removed, and all other AI features in the system will be gone. Microsoft will continue adding new AI features in future updates. Zoequare has promised on GitHub to update the script to remove these new features as well. For now, this script also prevents AI features from being reinstalled in current updates. A major future update might require a new script, but until then, this solution works. This is how you can disable all AI features in Windows 11 25 H2. For more information, check out Zoequare's GitHub page for the official documentation and the script. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like below and subscribe to the Applied Information Technology channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss future uploads like this one. This is Julio from Applied Information Technology. Until next time, have a great day.